Welcome back. Sorry, I had to make this video. I've tried to reach Jpac. His number is not going. So
dear customer, the MTN number you have dialed is not reachable.
Good morning. Thank you. I had to return back here on emergency.
Try again later. Thank you.
Alright, Jpac and Okongwu Dibia. I've tried to call Jpac now, his number is not going. Kamamanga Boli on WhatsApp. This is to inform you. Take it for granted if you like. But I want the general public to know this. Hello? Please, my audience, listen to me. Jpac, are you there? Are you there? Hello? Hello, Jpac. Jpac. Hello? Please hold on. I want to send this as a message to Thank you, my brother. Let's go there. You're welcome. See I go. You got Rito. All right. Advocacy. I still have to call Okongwu Dibia to inform you guys on this move. So you could be going small. Going small. Anyway, there is two things that brought me back on life now. First, Jpac and Okongwu Dibia. My words may not be ordinary. This is to inform you that there is a petition put up against you and against Okongwu Dibia. I will not say much so that it doesn't look as if I put under the umbrella a privileged information. You want to stop? No, go smoke. You want to do something? Okay. So I am. Please, my audience, gonna bring witness. I told these guys already what is coming.
Dear customer,
there's a petition put up against you, Jpac, you and Okongwu Dibia. This petition is somewhere in Abuja that I will not mention the name of the division. So be informed. Be informed that there's a petition against you. You and Okongwu Dibia. Okongwu, your own is that you should come and explain how you said you were being paid 10 million naira to come to a church and that Jpac equally okayed the same thing. To everyone watching me, see it to be ordinary, but you see this thing come to play. There's a petition against the both of you. That is what they are doing. But I want you guys not to be afraid. Life is like that. Life is just in this way. Mama, you're not working at this line in music here. I'm wearing card at this line. Hold on. Let's see if we can use another number. Don't know what's going on.
Dear customer, the MTN number you have dialed is not reachable at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you.
So, okay, somebody said, Bright said, Zone 7 Police, Abuja. We already know. Okay, who is this person? I did like to know. I'd like to know this. Isini buma Chineke manduga dige gosi ya bonege nole no kukwegi chukwa marala ndi ya enyi mole no kukwegi chukwa marala ndi ya enyi mole no kukwegi yo chukwa marala ndi ya enyi mole no kukwegi chukwa marala ndi ya. Hello Jpac, good morning.
Yeah,
Olen. Okay. I'm on a live video now, now.
Wow.
And I just continue to one information now, okay?
Okay.
There is a petition put up against you and against Okongwu Dibia. That's the two I know for now. In Abuja Zone 7. Petition has been fabricated against you. And the petition says that for you to come and now church in Akugogo, in fact, before, and the church you use Rugi against Onyobodo, that you should come and explain better. Then that of Okongwu. The reason why I called you on live video is this, so that there will be witness that I told you.
Okay.
So that there will be.
That's now. I want to get to your point. That now I came out on public. Your Onyobodo as my brother and as a friend. I don't know. When you just the name. I'm
only telling you what is going on. And calling you.
Before I tell about somebody, can you go in America? I want to ask, is in Nagota? I want to know because I'm not hearing it for the first time for you.
Okay. For me, I will send you a number. I will send you a number. The first number I will send to you. Will you reach out to the man of God by yourself? Join or they are aware in hand that people name with his name. By he got draft to a petition and put his name to it.
Okay, I'm hearing you.
Then verify this thing I'm telling you. I said Zone 7, Abuja.
Okay.
Verify this thing I'm telling you. And I'm not also telling you to avoid Abuja or avoid any police. You can you can either respond to it, but believe me, there's a petition against you and Okongwu. Verify this thing I'm telling you. If verify what I have just said to you now, Burashi, don't ever regard Governor Ezioku again. I'm saying this thing on live camera.
I want to get your point. Petition
is an information I've given to you. It's an information I've given to you. I don't know what happened.
Petition now from gay, or petition now defend my wife, or petition defend my
it's not like that. As I always say, Anna by grandmother, you know.
So I want to go to our house.
No problem. Upon any invitation to Abuja, just arrange yourself. Know that this thing is on now. That's my information to you. And also reach out to Okongwu. Hello, Governor Ezioku is my name. Yes. I'm on live section, please. Emeka, please. So, I only said according to what I know, and I did want you to be careful. That's all. Hello. Good morning. Please, I'm on live section. Okay. You want me to put it on loudspeaker? I don't go too far because of network. Yeah, I wanted us to leave, but somebody called. Let's answer. Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. How was the night?
All right, thank God.
Yes. Please, I'm watching you. I know you're on live section.
Yes.
That's why I called.
Okay.
Okay. I just heard what you said. Such things are very, very annoying. I mean, for a person, I'm getting sick and tired of all that shit, what is happening there in Nigeria. Is very, very disheartening. Does it mean people no longer have right to speech? Does it mean, yes, I have one nationality. Does it mean if I come to Nigeria or even as I'm here, I don't have right of speech? What are you people doing there? Do you people know you people are on a platform, social media, where you don't know the kind of people watching you people?
Please, I want to say something to your own hearing and that of my audience right now. Would it be surprising to you that a couple of days ago, there are few youths from my, like if you come to my side in Ngobala, we have 3 autonomous communities together, of which we collaborate when we want to do something, but we are about 6 together, and they call us Mbishi. Now my own community is in 2, but do you know that, would you believe me, that just few days ago, some group of guys were gathered and they paid them for 4,000 naira, that they would just stand and lift up plankers on the street and start saying certain words in support of a ministry and the governor of Imo State, that they are happy that so thing is coming to their place. But believe you me, I can get one on camera today to repeat exactly what happened. These people were being paid for 4,000 naira.
For what?
I swear to God Almighty, who made these heavens and earth. People are pushing me to talk, and I try to respect myself. I said people were paid money. I swear to God Almighty, the end of tomorrow.
Get such evidence and keep them, because I'm saying my mind. I am a Christian. I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe in resurrection. But what is happening today is terrible. It's terrible. What's the Christ like in us as Christians? These people are charlatans.
See, madam, Madam.
I just want to calm down. I just want to calm down and be responsible, because you cannot give what you don't have. But sometimes these things are so annoying. Does it mean people don't have right to speech? Why writing petitions petitioning the same people? Hello, I have to tell you something. Christ came for the sinners. That's your same Bible. I've told you how many times will someone wrong you, if the person wrong you at all. I don't understand. I lack words. It's just so annoying. Very, 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 very annoying. But you still will sit down and claim you don't know what is happening in social media. My dear, in short, let me just leave you. I'm so pissed off. Rubbish. Let me tell you. I need to say one more thing, the governor. Jpac should go and answer any petition. He should not call any woman of God. Nobody. He has no right to call anybody. He should wait for the petition till the petition gets to his desk. Okay. He should not call. He should not make any fucking call across anybody. Nobody has 2 words.
No problem. No problem.
Good day.
Thank you very much. All right, let me do this for the benefit of doubt. People should respect themselves. Chukunna onye amamihe. Onye amamihe. Funny enough, onye coordinated that protest, this their solidarity march. Onyamala coordinated that in enyi ego ka onye ụmụ okorobịa na-agara onwe ha ma ndị ọkada ha akwụsị. If you are intelligent, watch other video these people post. They got money, have fake. They paid you 4,000, some of them 2,000 naira to stand as a solidarity march. You collected the money, made video, but they recorded that video, post to the internet, and sent to the governor of Imo State. The thing, most so noble. And we put him be an reason you. Oh, yeah, Igbo now, because that of Matthias went smoothly and Matthias kept quiet. Hello? Hello? I'm in a live section now. I'm going to verify from you. Apokola her ministry. I don't need so and ego that day either 2,000 or 4,000 naira. No, but stand there for solidarity march. Obezioku.
Yes.
Onye nyere gi that money or onye amala ka onye ntu? Onye amala. One guy dị ọcha. Oji torogologo. So, how did they do it? Onye ọkada ọbụla or anybody gafegani ha stop or ha enyi ego?
They may invite every people,
Manden oh no, man, how far that video gale? Man, that video now happens to be on their own platform. One of them, Kama Ladiocha, name address the governor of Imo State, the senator. I'm not against development, but believe you me, I just got to make another video. Near people plankers, a post only on the internet. Okay, be akurungeke gego. But mgbe mega video, obu so si hun debe ka anyi. O ndebe ka anyi so ka eziri ihu na internet.
Yes, inda mala.
Okay. Mbaye camera, will you be bold to say this thing? Man choro gị bịa. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. You got totally mmadu 5 shi nga ọkpala enwere mmadu 5 n'ime ha ị ga-akọtali shi nga ọkpala in case if I come and face camera on them, can they be bold to say this thing? Because so simple eziokwu. So if they are sure, let them stand bold and say na akwụrụ ha ụgwọ to come and stand for solidarity. Okay, ngabia. Isi n'ibu nwa Chineke maduga dịga gosi ya nwanne m ole n'okwukwe gị. Chukwu amarala ndị ya. Enyi m ole n'okwukwe gị. Chukwu amarala ndị ya. Ihe na-enye m ọṅụ na Chukwu amarala ndị ya n'ụwa o. Ihe na-enye m ọṅụ na Chukwu amarawo ndị ya n'ụwa. N'ime Pontius Pilate Jehova amarala ndị ya n'ụwa o. Ihe na-enye m ọṅụ na Chukwu amarala ndị ya n'ụwa. I no go talk now. See, when you push to the Rubicon, I will speak. My name is Governor Ezio.